Quality loss is a critical metric in manufacturing efficiency. It represents the time and resources wasted producing parts that do not meet quality standards. Understanding precisely where and why this loss occurs is the first step toward optimizing your overall equipment effectiveness. Quality loss manifests primarily in two forms: defects and scrap. Defects are parts that can be reworked to meet standards. Scrap, however, represents material that is irretrievably lost and must be discarded, representing a direct hit to profitability. These losses stem from various sources. Equipment malfunctions or calibration drifts are frequent culprits in automated lines. Additionally, inconsistent raw material quality or suboptimal process parameters can lead to systematic defects throughout a run. It is crucial to distinguish between startup rejects and production defects. Startup rejects occur during machine setup and warm-up. Production defects, conversely, happen during the steady-state operation and often indicate process instability or drifting parameters. The impact on your OEE is immediate. Every defective part reduces the quality component of the OEE equation. Beyond the score, this translates to increased unit costs and wasted production capacity that could have generated revenue. Reducing these losses requires a proactive approach. Implementing predictive maintenance ensures equipment remains within tolerance. Rigorous material quality control and standardized operator training further minimize the variables that cause defects. However, the most effective tool is real-time visibility. You cannot fix what you do not measure in the moment. Instant feedback on quality drops allows operators to halt production immediately, preventing piles of scrap before they accumulate. With precise tracking and real-time data, TeepTrak helps you minimize waste and maximize your true manufacturing potential.